What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a couple golf cart questions for you all. Anybody that's out there that's good with golf carts. This is a 2011 and it's a club car. I believe it's a DS. Has anybody out there installed lithium batteries in their golf carts? And done the whole process of converting it over. I took the batteries out. They were all bad. It had 6 8-volt batteries. Like I said, I ordered a lithium battery. I ordered that on on Amazon just the other day. It should be here this coming Thursday. But yeah, I'm converting this thing over to a lithium. I'm assuming it's pretty self-explanatory. Red for red and black for black. Like I said, this is a 2011 model. The tag is, right down here. But yeah, like I said, if any of y'all have ever converted one of these over, is it hard to do? And yeah, this one, the kit I ordered comes with, so you can put a standard house plug in it, like an extension cord. This one, I believe, is all aluminum body, and even the framing is aluminum, because there's not rust anywhere on any of it. But yeah, if you could give me some tips, leave some comments down below if you've ever converted one of these from a dry cell to a lithium, and what you did about the mounting. I said this one's got, as you can see, 4 different trays here. 2 large trays in the center and then 2 smaller trays on the outside. Did you just cut a piece of plywood or OSB and put in the center and then mount the battery across the top there? That's what I think I'll try to do on this one. If y'all could, just let me know what you did in the comments. Here in a little bit, I'll do a video on that one, because that one, I don't know why it's not working. I've tried jumping it, and I can't get it to do anything. So I had to do a troubleshooting video on that. See if y'all can help me out. Again, here's your forward and reverse switch. And it's a good old cart, man. It goes, it works. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fast, and it's pretty neat. I like it. The kids like it. I'm not sure what that is there, a converter? Alright guys, well, y'all comment down below any of your thoughts with this golf cart, with some things I could do to it. Yeah, I'm going to take that box tray off. It was a service cart for a golf cart club company. They had a golf course, and it was one of their their maintenance carts. But I got such a great deal on them. I said the box has kind of got some surface rust, needs to be taken off. Whole body needs to be wet sanded and painted, which I'm going to do. But yeah, let me know y'all some ideas y'all have done to any of your carts out there. Like tow mirrors or a light bar, or speakers, or a dash, seat covers. So this one is good shape. It's ugly as hell, but it's in great shape. I said it was just a maintenance car, so it wasn't used and abused. Alright guys, help me out. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, comment, tell me what I can do to make this thing better, or make it great again. Hopefully out there, y'all some Trump supporters. Love you. Y'all have a great day.